Good evening, students. Now, today we'll revise the topic 12-hour format and 24-hour format. As we have discussed before, clock rotates 2 rounds to complete 24 hours, which makes one day. So that means from 12 midnight a day starts till 12 afternoon. This is noon. Till 12 afternoon it is half day. From again 12 afternoon to again 12 midnight a day completes, right? So this we have already know it. Now let's understand what is a 12-hour format and what is 24-hour format. It's very simple. When you are seeing a 12-hour format, where we have the clock with only 12 hours, we only have 12 numbers on the clock. Okay, so that means a clock should rotate 2 times to complete that 24 hours. In 24-hour format, it will be calculated like the continuation till 24 hours. Okay, here we don't have 2 rounds. So right, so from 12 midnight to 12 afternoon it is half day, where we say the time as AM, and from 12 noon to 12 midnight it is PM. It is afternoon, evening and night time, right? So here when you observe this table, the down one is a 12-hour format and the top one is a 24-hour format, where the 12 is a median line, where we consider this as a main before and after, right? We already know AM means anti-meridian and PM means post-meridian. From meridian before it is anti-meridian, meridian after it is post-meridian, right? So if you observe here, whereas in 12-hour format and in 24-hour format, both the numbers are similar till 12 hours. So when the time is in AM, both the time in 24 and in 12-hour format, numbers will not change. There is a small difference when you are writing a 24-hour format. It is, we do not add AM or PM to those time in 24 hours. Here, it is not required to add AM or PM to 24-hour format, as it is showing in only one round till 24. Here, again, for example, if I tell you now the time is 6 o'clock. You may ask me, Madam, the time is 6 o'clock in the morning or in the evening? You will get a doubt, right? So to avoid that doubt, what we have taken, if the clock is in second time round, we have mentioned it as 6 p.m. If the clock is in the first time round, we mentioned it as 6 a.m. to avoid the confusion while we are knowing the time. So but there will be no confusion when we are seeing it in a 24-hour format. If suppose if I tell you the time 18, now time is 1800 hours, that means there is only 118 in the 24-hour format, where you no need to confuse. So no need to add AM or PM to the 24-hour format. This time is used in the railway stations, announcements, or further some particular reasons will use this time. Okay, even in your phone also you can see this time by asking your parents' help to check it. So here, let's come to the point. So what type of questions we will get it? So we have to convert, if the time given in 12 hours, we have to convert it into 24 hours. If the time given in 24 hours, we can convert it into 12 hours. How it is? So here for example, the question is 6:01 a.m. First you have to see is what it is given there. If it is a 12-hour format, what they have given, either AM or PM. If it is AM, you no need to worry about that. AM means it is a first round where both the times are similar. That means in 24 hours, you will get as 600 hours. That's it. Okay, so here, for example, the time given as 7:20 p.m. Now you have to focus. Here they have given the time as PM. PM means the clock is in second round. If the clock is in second round, what it will be the time? See here, 7 means it is 19. So here the time will come as 1900 hours. Okay, then for example, if the question given in 24 hours and you have to convert it into the 12 hours, let's see it. I have the question 21:30 hours. Okay, first you observe they have given 21 number. So if the numbers you are getting from 13 to 23, these all numbers will come only in the second round, where you need to convert it. That means 23 you have to replace it with 11 in 12-hour format. Sorry, 21. If it is 21, you have to replace it with 9 in 12-hour format. 30 minutes they have given, 30 will write. So here obviously we have to put PM. Why? Because clock is in second round. When you are doing problems, you maintain this table so that you can easily convert 12 hours to 24 hours, 24 hours to 12 hours. Let's get into the another topic. Right. Let's solve some additions and subtractions in time. So here, when we are doing additions in time, you have to remember the very first point, that is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. When you are doing this problem, make a note aside that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Right. Let's solve the first problem. See, here question is given 7 hours 23 minutes plus 6 hours 39 minutes. So as usual, we'll do addition from minutes place. 3 plus 9, it is 12. 3 plus 3, it is 6. And here I got 7 plus 6, it is 13. So I got 1362. What I told you, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, where minutes shouldn't get more than 60. If you are getting more than 60, you should subtract 60 from the minutes, and this 60 to be added to the hours. Okay, that means the answer is 14 hours 2 minutes. 14 hours 2 minutes. See here, when we are subtracting 60, we should add to the hours. Why? Because this 60 minutes we are converting it into 1 hour, then only we can add to the hours. So here the answer is 14 hours 2 minutes. Let's solve one more problem. So 9 hours 37 minutes plus 10 hours 49 minutes. 7 plus 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. So 4 plus 4, it is 8, and here 19. So you do the two steps here, so that if you do the rough work here itself, it will be clear for you. Okay. See here again the answer is more than 80, more than 60, where you have to do the subtraction again. So here we'll do the subtraction of 60, where this 60 what we'll do? We'll do as add 1 hour here. Right. So here 6 minus 0 is 6, 8 minus 6 is 2, where 19 plus 1 is 20 hours. So the time here is 20 hours 26 minutes. But when it comes to the subtraction, here when we are doing a subtraction, we should see first the top number should be the bigger one, down number should be the smaller one. This is the basic rule of the subtraction, where you have learnt it before. So here 10 hours 36 minutes, 9 hours 29 minutes. It is very simple that 10 hours 36 minutes is greater than 9 hours 21 minutes. So what you are going to do first, you will check with the minutes 36 and 21, where 36 minutes is greater than 21, where you can subtract it. So 6 minus 1 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, 14 here, 10 minus 9 is 1. So the difference here is 1 hour 14 minutes. But when you are doing a subtraction, where here 4 hours 10 minutes, 2 hours 39 minutes, where 4 hours 10 minutes is greater than 2 hours 39 minutes. But we cannot subtract 39 from 10. You may think we can take the borrowing like from here 3 it will become 11, it will become 9, like that. You shouldn't do that. Why? Because here we are doing in hours and minutes. When we are doing so, we have to take 1 hour as borrow. First we have to check whether the top minutes is lesser or greater than the down number. So where here the 10 is smaller than 39, so you have to take the borrow from the next number. Where from 4 hours, if I take 1 hour, I am taking 1 hour from 4 hours. Where 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That means 1 hour I am taking 60 minutes here. Where this 60 minutes will be added to this 10 minutes, where it will become 70 minutes. Right? So from 70 minutes I can subtract 39, right? 70 is greater than 39. So I will subtract 39 from 70. So 7 will become 6, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, 6 minus 3 is 3. So here I got 31 minutes. Now here I have 4 hours or 3 hours? Yes, I have 3 hours. From 3 if I subtract, I'll get 1. So my required answer is 1 hour 31 minutes. Right? Let's get into the another topic. Right. The next one we are going to learn is how many days are there. In 4 weeks, 2 days, how many days are there? Before doing this kind of problems, you should know 1 week is equal to how many days? 1 week is equal to 7 days. Even a small kid also say these days this 1 week is equal to 7 days. I know that you people are little big. You can answer me. So here when you are doing these problems, note it down. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Here it was given 4 weeks 7 days. So for 1 week if it is 7 days, 2 weeks means what you will do? 2 into 7 you will do. 2 7s are 14 days. So here 4 weeks means what we have to do? 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28 days. So already I have 2 days. I need to add it. So simple, right? So total I have 30 days. So very simple. What you have to do? First you have to convert the weeks by multiplying it into 7. So here 9 7s are 63 days. I already have 3 days. 63 plus 3 days. So I have 66 days. In this way you have to solve these problems. Let's see the next. How many weeks are there? This here you have to observe. 52 days they have given. We have to find out how many weeks are there in that. So the same point, 1 week is equal to 7 days. So we have to divide it with 7. When I divide it with 7, 52 divided by 7, where in 7 table I will not get 52. What I have to do? Sit and cry? No, right? So the nearer number will take it. That is 7 7s are 49. So here 52 minus 49. Count after 49 till you get 52. 50, 51, 52. So here 3. Always remember the quotient here we are getting is weeks. Remainder we are getting is days. So here the answer is 7 weeks, 3 days. Right? So quickly you try to tell the answer. 64 divided by 7. So in 7 table I will not get 64. So I have to take 7 9 63. Where here I will get 1. Here 9 will be the weeks. 1 will be the day. So here 64 days is equal to 9 weeks, 1 day. So I hope you can do the homework well enough. 29 with 7. 7 4s are 28. So here 1 again. So 4 weeks, 1 day. So only a small thing you have to remember, that is 1 week is equal to 7 days. You have to divide it with 7 when you are going to find out weeks from days. When you are going to find out days from weeks, you are going to multiply with 7. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.